Hi, my name's Scott Shadley. I'm the Director of Leadership, Narrative, and Evangelist here at Solidigm, and I've got Carrie here from Giga. Why don't you do an introduction?
Hi, I'm Carrie. I'm the first sales marketing role in Giga Computing of America's regions, and we are the enterprise of Gigabyte. It's interesting that Gigabyte has been thought of a motherboard company for the longest time. And actually, we started our server business long time ago, way back in 2000. So we are the forefront of high-performance computing. We deliver cutting-edge AI, cloud, HPC solutions for the businesses worldwide.
Great to meet you, Carrie. So we're here at GTC, arguably the forefront of AI advancement. What is it about this particular event in the forefront of AI that's going to be most interesting from an infrastructure advancement point of view?
We're seeing significant adoptions across enterprise, industrial, and edge applications. AI inferencing is becoming more power efficient, and AI data workloads are becoming more data intensive. So what we really need right now is innovation in storage, networking, and compute efficiency.
It's a very good point. I mean, if you think about how the infrastructures are going, and Jensen mentioned the AI factories, all this kind of stuff, it's all about power efficiency and being able to fit everything together. So as a storer of data with some very innovative things that we're working together with you on, it's very interesting to understand that and try to figure out what it means around fueling the customer demand.
Okay. So our GPU dense server systems are perfectly designed for those the most demanding LLM, AI, and HPC workloads. Take our GA93, our GPU server system that we brought to our booth this year. It can adopt up to 8 NVIDIA's B200 or B300 GPU, as well as it supports the latest NVIDIA's Super NIC BlueField 3. And we also brought the latest cooling solution skill, G4L3. It also supports H200 and B300. We showcase the whole DLC rack, right, our booth. So each rack, there are 8 G4L3 systems. And combining a total 8 racks plus 1 switch rack, it is our one-stop turnkey solution for data centers.
So how do you think you can help the industry tackle some of these challenges that we see as one of those forefront companies?
Right. So I see, the demand for AI infrastructure is skyrocketing now. So AI, HPC, and cloud workloads are just very power hungry. And it has left little to no new data center space, actually. So because of that, the rental rate has jumped to 6.5% compared to the first half of 2023. It is very crucial for business to really step up the game by selecting components right, to maximize your data center performance while minimizing power consumption at the same time.
Okay, that's very true. I mean, we've seen all kinds of things around power and how to make everything work better. Liquid cooling is absolutely kind of the star of the Super Bowl of AI of this year, right? So when we think about moving forward, there's terms that we throw out that we're talking about agentic AI, physical AI, all that kind of stuff. So what's your take on like where we're going with agentic AI and these nice big models that we're starting to have?
So agentic AI is very interesting. Like they can autonomously make decisions based on real-time data. And they can execute commands without us telling them what to do or give them specific instructions. And that's so futuristic. And plus agentic AI, they mainly use inferencing. We can run these models on a single system with just a few GPUs. That means maybe you and I can, run our agentic AI at home as long as we can afford our GPUs, right?
When you think about the Giga and Solidigm relationship, how do you see that as something of value in this particular space?
Okay, so we all know that training AI, we really need fast and reliable data access. And with Solidigm's NVMe SSD, they really help our customers to handle large-scale data sets in the data center without any bottlenecks, while keeping the power consumption and cost to a minimum. Isn't that the most important thing?
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're definitely doing a good job of making sure that you have designed a whole bunch of portfolio of products around enterprise and the IoT and the edge. We've got a platform or a portfolio of products as well that help mirror all that so that when we talk to customers together or not as a solution, we can help find that perfect balance of what they need in their next products.
Yeah.
So We really appreciate your time. How do we find more out about you as the first of Giga and or more about the company?
So it's simple. Just simply Google Giga Computing, direct liquid cooling, and you can follow us on LinkedIn or Twitter.